Hi guys, welcome back. G-Man, my World 67. Got here that Kusan Marx engine that I've been working on. I brought it to the completion stages. Just finished the handrails on it. Made that out of 16 gauge copper wire, chromed. You can pick that up at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart, Kmart if they still have it in their craft sections. There it is right there. Comes on a little roll. It's about 9 feet of that, so more than enough wire to do several engines, and it's real cheap. Just wanted to do a quick video if I could. My phone's been kind of blinking out on me, but here's those couplers. This is that coupler off of the freight car coupler, and I cut it up and redid it. I had to shorten it a little bit, and I'll show you how I do that in another video sometime. But I added the front and the back half of the chassis. I cut it off and decided to glue it back on because it already had the stanchions for the couplers. Made it a whole lot simpler. I didn't have to drill holes in the body. Did it on both ends, front and back. Like I said, glued it in place as it was already made and shaped right for the shell anyway. This is that Marx motor that I put in. I'm going to eventually put a shorter bolt in there and put that back on. I had mentioned in the first video that I would probably make a stack, and that would be my mounting screw. And I drilled that hole, and there's my stack. I'm going to change this screw out and put in a more of a butterfly nut. It has almost a round hole, and it's not as obvious. And I'll probably, I might leave it chrome or I might paint it black. The end caps I haven't done yet. Hadn't put my end rails on because I'm undecided what I'm going to do. I'll probably use something off of another old engine. As I said, I fashion shaped those rails, put them on there. Eventually I'll have to put this little stanchions that go on the sides of them probably. I kind of like it the way it looks. It really dressed that engine up a whole lot. Okay, well, that's all I have for you for now. I'm leaving it at the 6800 as that kind of identifies it as that Kusan body shell. But there's my Kusarx, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a shout at gban1924 at hotmail.com. And thanks for watching. The next time you see this engine, we'll be running on the layout. All right, guys. Be blessed. Bye-bye.